Hello guys, today we're gonna make a cucumber wrap. So I will use this one cucumber California crispy. So like that. So second, I use the stick. Okay, use the stick like this, and like that. Okay. After that, you put like that, and like this. The masterpiece. Okay guys, yun lang. Okay, ganun lang gagawin natin. Move. So gagawa tayo ng California na crispy California roasting with the cucumber wrap. Okay? Nag-request yung guest. So, pagbigyan natin. Okay? Yan. Na-fill ko na yung cucumber, di ba? Yehey! Tanggalin na rin to. Force ko na yan. Okay? Tanggalin na rin siya dito.
We're making the cucumber wrap.
Yeah. These guys want the cucumber wrap. So, let's make the sushi now, guys. Alright. Okay. Now the crab stick. One crab stick here. One crab stick here. Okay, guys. So, lagyan na natin yung cucumber inside. Cucumber inside, some avocado. Crispy California with the cucumber wrap. Okay, avocado na. So, lagyan natin ng mayonnaise inside. Para masarap. Okay, so ngayon, andyan na siya. Tanggalin natin ito dito. Lagyan natin ng crunchy. Lagyan natin ng crunchy. Okay, si crispy siya. So, roll up lang natin siya ngayon. Sa isa. Okay. Okay. Yan. Like California. Okay, yung California. Ayan na. So, cut na natin siya na okay. So, i-flake na natin. Inyo? Yan o. California with the cucumber wrap. So, ayun na siya. Tingnan niyo. Okay. So, lagyan tayo ng wasabi. Tapos, ginger. Tapos lagyan natin ng crunchy ulit. Crunchy ulit. Crunchy ulit. Crunchy ulit. Okay. Crunchy ulit at crunchy. Okay, tapos lagyan natin ng mayonnaise. Okay. Napaka-special kong ano Okay. Okay. Okay, gawa lang tayo. Mga tropa. Crispy California in the cucumber. So, lalagyan natin ng pampa. This is Crispy California with the cucumber wrap, guys. Okay. Bigyan natin ng payo-payo. Okay. So, ito na po. Okay. Thank you. See you next time.